What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and happy Thanksgiving. In today's video we just picked up this 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali, and it looks like it was a SEMA build, but the owner took off their wheels, the side steps, and a few other little things here and there. But I already got in contact with the owner and we're definitely going to be buying some of those parts back off of him. But the truck is overall very nice. It does have some frame damage and definitely going to need a lot of work to get this thing back on the road. But let's go ahead and do a full walk around on the truck, see what it has. And we already got a parts truck for this thing, so that's also going to be better for us. So we have a whole frame for this truck, so we're not even going to have to pull the frame. So let's go ahead and do a walk around. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the front of this truck. The guy hit someone, or someone hit the guy, and the frame's definitely bent. Both frame rails went, and even that bar got ripped off right there. And it's definitely going to need a frame, but it still looks pretty decent. So looking further into it, we got the Cognito 7-inch lift kit, fully powder coated. Got some stock GMC 5 stars on it. Body's pretty clean. When we come to the back over here, we got powder coated leaf springs, completely powder coated rear end, exhaust with a big MBRP tip. Got a nice AFE AMP step. The guy even got a nice American decal on the back. Got some bugs on the truck from towing, so we're definitely gonna need to give it a good clean. It's looking good. And we got the fully optioned out Denali interior. Got both airbags blown, but we could go ahead and get those ordered. And under the hood here, deleted, and the truck is tuned. But definitely can get this thing fixed, no problem. Apparently it was making 650 wheel horsepower, and also the motor was rebuilt about 10,000 miles ago, so that's good news for us. We'll probably go ahead and end up doing the CP3 conversion. So let's go ahead and give this truck a good wash and start it up. Alright, so I got this thing all washed up. It's looking good now, very clean. I just hit it with the pressure washer. Looks like the truck might have been ceramic coated before, because the paint is just really good. All the bugs came off real easy off the back of the tailgate, and everything just cleaned up nice. And I already went ahead and contacted the previous owner. I bought his side steps off of him, AMP folding side steps, and a fast fuel system off the guy. But this truck's about to be on the road, but hopefully soon. We're gonna get this cab pulled off, the bed pulled off, the engine and everything out, and get a new frame on this truck. But let me know what you guys think. Should I go with the OEM bumper, aftermarket bumper, and should I keep everything powder coated red? And it's just gonna be a big project, but definitely gonna be worth it in the end. All right guys, so here's our parts truck right behind me. It's burned, and it's totaled and I want it for a steal on auction, but we're gonna be using the frame off of it. So that's basically the only reason we bought the truck. But once we sell the bed and a few other things, we're gonna be using that for the frame for the truck, and it's gonna be basically free. These wheels are nice too, but one was burned and I just swapped it out. Maybe if we buy one new tire, I'll have a full set, but these look way too small for that other GMC. But let me know what you guys think about these wheels. Maybe throw some 37s on it and run these. But this truck was burned pretty badly. Everything's just melted, the whole dashboard. Not much good in the interior on this truck, but the doors are fine, wheels are fine, bed is fine. Frame is definitely still good. This side looks a little bit better. It's how both wheels on this side are also good. Bed has some damage, but that's no big worry. Someone will still buy it. But let's go ahead and show you guys y'all the other wheels that I bought for that truck. Maybe we'll just throw those on it. There's some Moto Metals with 40s, so let's go ahead and check those out. All right, so these are the wheels we're gonna go ahead and try putting on the truck. They're 24-inch wheels with 40-inch tires. This thing's about to look like a monster truck, but I just got 2 rolled out right now, and I got some spacers for them, so let's go ahead and see if we can get them installed. This thing looks crazy with these wheels. 40s. Might not even rub. Seems like it has a decent amount of space. But definitely stick out way too much. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels down in the comments below. Maybe we'll even keep these, but I think we're probably just gonna go with the other ones and maybe some 37s or 38s. Well, all right guys, so we definitely got a nice truck and it's definitely gonna need a lot of work. And these 40s are way too big. It's definitely gonna rub. I tested it, started the truck, but that's not a problem. We're probably gonna go with the other wheels that I showed earlier and maybe throw some 37s on there. Let me know what you guys think, but make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all have any of y'all's own opinions on what I should do with this truck, just let me know. And on the other builds, y'all might be waiting, but we're just waiting on parts and other little things. So just be patient, and I'm also staying patient. So just don't miss out on the next videos. We got a lot of cool content coming soon, and don't miss out.